Hello, hello, mic testing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello, hello. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back again. It's buddy Technoboy, and in this video, I'm gonna unbox and check this USB microphone. You can see that's the microphone, and this is the box packing. I bought this from Amazon, and that's the product box, and no other packing was there. Only this thing was mounted on the box right there. So let me first of all let me show you the MRP here. As you can see, 999. Well, that's a huge one, but that's not the price of it. I got this thing for 479. That's the price, 479 on Amazon. That's a very good deal. And this thing is USB mic, so you can use this to your with your laptop, your desktop, and all for gaming, podcast, voiceover, and so many stuff you can do with this thing. So let's check the box once. Here some specs are there. You can see sensitivity -47 dBV per P bar and -47 dBV per Pascal, plus minus 4 dB. Frequency response 100 Hz to 16 kHz. 8 feet shielded cord with USB connector, and package contains USB desktop microphone, full product support. That's maybe the whatever it is. So that's the model number M309. Well, I cannot see any brand name here on this thing, but it was written there, the Storin. Okay, here you can see Storin Electro World. So it was named as Storin. I don't know that's the brand name or no, but here you can see made in China. Of course, you cannot get a cheaper thing like this except made in China. So let's open this thing. And that's the microphone, and nothing else in the box. No paperwork or there's a manual or anything like that. So let's take it out. That's the microphone itself, and nicely designed, and the base is like little bit of heavy, but it could be little bit of heavier than this one, so it can hold the angle of the mic whichever you can keep. Because if you keep it just like this, it will tend to tilt to that side, but overall it's okay. And here you can see the on off switch and a push button to turn this thing on and off. So the nice thing is that you can keep it connected to your PC or laptop, and when you are going to use this thing, just turn this thing on. Red light is there, it will glow, and use it, and then turn this thing off. That's it. That's the microphone. It's a condenser mic, and vents are all around, so it can catch the sound from all around 360 degree, and at the front also. You can see the holes are there. So now that's a nice thing, and the stand is quite a bit flexible. You can twist it to any direction, just like that, 360 degree. So that's a nice thing, but I'm gonna keep it to the front on this side, just like this. And that's it. Now it's time to connect to the PC and check the quality of this thing. So as you can see, this thing is connected to my PC, a front side USB, and when I press this button, you can see the red light is on. So now I can record something so you can understand. Alright, so I'm gonna use Bandicam and record something. So I'm like 1 feet away from the mic, so let's record something. Hello, hello, mic testing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello, hello. Now let's check it out. Hello, mic testing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello, hello. So So as you heard the sound, it's very clear, and but I was like more than a feet away from the mic and was recording, so that's why you could hear some what to say background noise, because my PC fan is like having some trouble and noise, and also the AC is on, so the airy noise are there a little bit. But if I keep my mouth near to the mic, then the sound will be much more clear, louder, and you cannot hear the background noises at all. So overall, this is a very good thing. And yeah, as for now, how much I have tested, I can recommend you can buy this thing. This is a cheap option for recording something, a voiceover and all. So that's it. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.